Hey guys, what's up? If you like my videos, please like, comments and subscribe.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop. You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water. And you just keep drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust? We are fluid like the ocean waters. You only crave for solid ground. Something on your mind is the comfort I can offer. Just this once for the city before us.